Welcome back to Electric Scooter World. If you're looking to boost the speed of your Ninebot E2 Pro, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through various methods to make your scooter faster, safely, and effectively. Let's get started. The first method to increase your Ninebot E2 Pro's speed is by modifying the firmware. This process is commonly known as a speed hack. But before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. Modifying your scooter's firmware can void your warranty and carry some risks. So proceed with caution. Download the Zhao Flasher or Ninebot IAP app from the Google Play Store. Open the app and connect to your Ninebot E2 Pro via Bluetooth. Make sure your scooter is fully charged before proceeding. Always back up your original firmware. This way, you can revert to the default settings if needed. Once connected, choose a custom firmware that unlocks higher speeds. Follow the in-app instructions to install it on your scooter. After the installation is complete, take your scooter for a test ride. You should notice a significant boost in speed. Another way to enhance your scooter's speed is by optimizing battery performance. A well-maintained battery ensures your scooter runs at its peak. Keep the battery charged, ideally above 20%. Regularly charging your scooter and storing it in a cool, dry place can also improve its performance. Remember, a healthy battery equals a faster ride. Reducing weight and resistance can also help your Ninebot E2 Pro achieve higher speeds. Lighten the load by carrying less, and make sure your tires are inflated to the recommended pressure. This reduces rolling resistance, allowing your scooter to glide faster on smooth surfaces. Lastly, regular maintenance is key to keeping your scooter performing at its best. Check the brakes, ensure they're not dragging, and lubricate moving parts to reduce friction. Small tweaks like these can make a noticeable difference. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can unlock your Ninebot E2 Pro's full potential. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Electric Scooter World for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching and ride safe.